5 ways ChatGPT can help you monetize your presence. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on social media and earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. ChatGPT can help you identify relevant products and services to promote based on your audience's interests and demographics. Sponsored content. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. You can earn money by creating sponsored content on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. ChatGPT can help you negotiate fair rates and identify relevant brands to partner with. Virtual events. You can use social media to host virtual events such as webinars, workshops, and live Q&A sessions. You can charge a fee for access to these events and use ChatGPT to promote them and manage registrations. E-commerce. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook allow you to sell products directly to your followers. You can use ChatGPT to help you source products, manage inventory, and fulfill orders. Donations. If you have a large following on social media, you can ask your followers for donations to support your content creation efforts. ChatGPT can help you identify the best platforms to receive donations and create compelling content to encourage donations. Finally, ChatGPT helped me for this content to get subscription from you. Hope you will grow your channel with ChatGPT. Good luck.